Today, we delve into Photoleap, a powerful photo editing tool designed to unleash your creativity. Photoleap is perfect for photographers, designers, and anyone passionate about visual storytelling. Throughout this video, we'll explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's take a look at Photoleap's main features. Feature-rich editing. Photoleap offers a plethora of features, including advanced editing tools like layering, background removal, and AI-powered enhancements. Its intuitive interface makes complex editing tasks simple and enjoyable. Artistic effects. With Photoleap, you can add stunning effects and filters to your photos, transforming them into captivating masterpieces. From vintage vibes to futuristic looks, the possibilities are endless. Seamless integration. Photoleap seamlessly integrates with other creative tools, allowing you to enhance your workflow and achieve professional results faster. Mobile accessibility. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, Photoleap's mobile app ensures that you can edit your photos anytime, anywhere, without compromising on quality. Customer support. Photoleap provides excellent customer support with a dedicated team ready to assist you with any queries or issues you may encounter. Regular updates. Photoleap continuously updates its software, introducing new features and improvements to ensure that users always have access to cutting-edge technology. When it comes to pricing, Photoleap offers both free and premium versions. The free version provides access to basic editing tools, while the premium version unlocks advanced features such as layering and AI enhancements. Pricing for that starts at $4.99 per month, that's for the premium subscription, with discounts available for an annual plan. Photoleap offers a user-friendly experience with an intuitive interface that caters to both beginners and experienced users alike. Its sleek design and seamless navigation make editing photos a breeze, allowing you to focus on unleashing your creativity. Photoleap boasts a wide range of advanced editing features, intuitive interface, and seamless integration with social media platforms. Its AI-powered enhancements streamline the editing process, saving you time and effort. However, the premium subscription may be costly for some users, and while the free version offers basic editing tools, access to advanced features requires a subscription. Alternatives to Photoleap include Adobe Photoshop Express, Snapseed, and PixArt. While each of these alternatives offers similar features, Photoleap stands out for its intuitive interface and AI-powered enhancements. In conclusion, Photoleap is a versatile photo editing app that empowers users to unleash their creativity. With its advanced editing tools, seamless integration, and intuitive user experience, Photoleap is a must-have tool for anyone looking to take their photos to the next level. Sign up today and unlock your creative potential with Photoleap. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and tutorials on mastering the digital world. Thank you for watching.